Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unmute someone on Roblox using your PC, especially after the recent update. So, if you've accidentally muted a friend or want to reconnect with a player, just follow these simple steps. First, the first thing you want to do is open Roblox on your PC. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home screen, ready to jump into the world of Roblox games. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. There, you'll see a menu. Click on the option that says More. This will open up additional options for you. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your Roblox experience. After you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to select Privacy. This section allows you to manage who can interact with you and how. Now, here's where it gets more specific. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Blocked Users. This is where all the users you've muted or blocked are listed. Finally, to unmute someone, simply find their username in this list and click Unblock right next to their name. Just like that, you've reconnected with them. And that wraps up our quick tutorial on unmuting someone on Roblox for PC after the new update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Happy gaming!